With a 40 millisecond low latency, touch key controls, game and music dual mode, check out the Plextone 4Game TWS headsets. And it comes in 3 attractive colors. This is the Plextone 4Game True Wireless Gaming Headset. It features a 40 millisecond low latency, and this is when it's switched to game mode. It has got the ceramic bipolar antenna, giving a more stable signal with a longer connection distance. It also has got the game and music mode, and it features a touch key control. So we're going to unbox this and get it connected to our mobile phone. So once you open up the box, this is what you have. So this is what you see once you open up the box. It has got the warranty card, it has got the user guide, and that is in different languages. It has got one for English, and this is the micro USB charging cable. So this is the charging case itself, and this is the headset. You'll notice that there are no stickers on the charging contacts. So this is the right, so over here, and this is the left headset. So the charging case itself, you can see that there are 4 LED indicators for the battery life itself. Now let's weigh our headset. So our headset is a mere 7 grams. So the length of the headset is roughly 40.9 mm. So this is the length of the charging case. This is the breadth of the charging case. This is the height of the charging case. So this is the charging case. It has got a micro USB port for charging. The charging time is roughly about 1.5 hours for the charging case. And here are the other specs for this charging case. Now the headset features a Bluetooth 5.0 plus EDR. It has a working time of 2 to 3 hours of continuous playing at 40% volume. Now, the battery capacity is 38 mAh, and the charging time is roughly 1.5 hours. So this is a pair of fairly lightweight headsets, and you can see that it has got the Plextone logo imprinted on the stem. It features a touch for control, which we will show you later. It has got 2 modes. One is the standard music and the other is the game mode, where it has got a latency of 40 milliseconds. So next, we're going to pair this pair of headsets to our mobile phone. So we'll take it out of the charging case itself. can see that it is blinking blue and red. So from our mobile phone, we'll go to Bluetooth. It has detected the headset, which is BT. Select that. At the Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. You can see that the headset is now connected. It is that simple to connect the headset. On the headset itself, you can see that it is no longer blinking blue and red, but instead it is just blinking blue at a regular interval. Next, we will show you some music playback using the headset itself. So let's start our music player. Now, to start the music, simply tap once. To stop, simply tap once again. To go to the next song, you tap twice. And to go back to the previous song, you tap 3 times on either headset. Very simple operation. Now, to get into the game mode, simply tap on either headset 4 times. You'll see that the blue LED will light up, indicating that it is in the game mode. To get back to music mode, simply tap 4 times. Next, we'll show you how to answer and hang up calls. To answer the call, tap on the headset once. And to hang up the call, press on the headset for 2 seconds. So this is how you unbox the Plextone 4Game True Wireless Gaming Headset, and we have just shown you on the music playback how to enter and exit the game mode, as well as answer and hang up calls.